One by one, the Anaars enter the ring. 12 quantum lenses whirl to life, firing white, blue, and ultraviolet bursts that crawl over every wrinkle and pore. They red crack.
Freshly pressed juice spills into the first stage, cascading like a crimson waterfall over a micromesh plate that traps seeds and fibers. Sticky pulp slides away.
Stage 2 membranes are online. Particulate load dropping rapidly. Purity climbing past 90%. Valve 7 rerouting. Balanced. Final chamber at 99.9.
Blade temperature holding at 32.5. Symmetry variance under half a micron.
Perfect. Look at that lattice. Not a single seed ruptured.
It's beautiful work. Ready for the nectar press.
The turbo aril separation cyclone. Billions of data points direct air pulse, paddle, and vibration in perfect harmony. Each aril rides a cushion of pressure, untouched, unbroken.
Good. Increase density threshold by 2 microns.
Adjusting. Done. Purity stream stable. Locking there. Separator hold steady.
Feed rate stable. Aril's entering the chamber now.
Compression plates engaging. Holding at 1180 kilopascals.
Purities at 99.97. Beautiful.
Recycling sweep complete. We're in the clear.
Kicked in the aroma notes 2%. Watch the curve.
Got it. Pressure peaking at 120. Stabilizers compensating.
Probe in now. Reading golden ratio in 5,
Locked.
4.
Fragrance harmony.
Pathogen count dropping fast. We're at 9 nines.
Holding trajectory. Beams converging. Final sweep in 3.
Confirmed. Sterilization complete.
In the quiet of the hall, every pod is tuned to perfection. Oxygen zeroed, temperature locked, clarity absolute. What looks like a jewel is a living system.
Cooling curve is holding. 0.1 and flat.
Perfect. Flavor integrity stays untouched.
Transparent PET preforms glide toward the furnace, where layers of infrared panels flood them with even golden heat. Macro reflections show surfaces shimmering like liquid crystal as temperature.
Ultra-thin stainless jets fire micro-controlled bursts straight into each bottleneck. Every pulse is perfectly metered to collapse rising foam in an instant, leaving the juice surface flat.
Pressure drop initiated.
Scanning neck integrity. No deformation.
Sonic resonance within specification.
Green lane clear. Next bottle incoming.
Temperature stays perfect.
It's like silk.
Every time.
Smoke stable and cleared for export.
Inside the tunnel, walls of heat swirl like controlled storms. Loose film ripples, corners sharpen, surfaces smooth, every wrinkle erased in real time. A blast of